We are here at the Valparaiso High School here in Valparaiso, Indiana.
We're in the cafeteria area.
Yep. Nice. Very nice. Look at this elevator. It's still in 18. It's got a 1. Let's go up to 2. Here we go. That is definitely MRL. This is elevator number 4. It's a nice elevator. Look at this cab. Definitely pretty nice. Atoll buttons. Let's just skip it there.
Concussion if it's your
Here's the cabinet here. This is MRL. Listen to the relays. That is the MRL cabinet. And that's the elevator. And here is the really nice cafeteria. Look at that. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.